ᱵᱟᱵᱟ ᱛᱟᱯᱮᱱ ᱢᱟᱭ ᱵᱟᱹᱜᱤᱭᱟᱜ ᱯᱮ, ᱟᱫᱚ ᱱᱤᱛ ᱫᱚ ᱟᱯᱮ ᱫᱚ ᱟᱨᱦᱚᱸ ᱠᱚᱥᱴᱚ ᱰᱷᱮᱨᱚᱜᱼᱟ, ᱥᱮ ᱱᱤᱛ ᱫᱚ ᱚᱱᱛᱮ ᱤᱱᱠᱟᱢ ᱠᱚᱢᱟᱣᱱᱟ, ᱦᱮᱸ ᱟᱫᱚ ᱱᱤᱛ ᱫᱚ ᱟᱯᱮ ᱛᱮᱜᱮ ᱠᱩᱨᱩᱢᱩᱴᱩ ᱦᱩᱭᱩᱜ ᱛᱟᱯᱮᱭᱟ ᱵᱟᱧᱪᱟᱣ᱾ ᱟᱨ ᱵᱚᱭᱦᱟ ᱠᱚᱫᱚ ᱚᱠᱟ ᱠᱚᱨᱮ ᱦᱮᱱᱟᱜ ᱠᱚᱣᱟ?
ᱢᱤᱫᱴᱮᱡ ᱫᱚ ᱟᱢᱱᱳᱨᱟ ᱢᱚᱰᱮᱞ ᱠᱞᱤᱱᱤᱠ ᱨᱮ, ᱟᱨ
ᱦᱮᱸ
ᱢᱤᱫᱴᱮᱡ ᱫᱚ ᱚᱲᱟᱜ ᱨᱮᱜᱮ ᱛᱟᱦᱮᱱ ᱠᱟᱱᱟ, ᱯᱚᱨᱤᱠᱷᱟ
ᱦᱮᱸ
ᱮᱢᱮ ᱪᱟᱞᱟᱣ ᱠᱟᱱᱟ ᱨᱟᱡᱥᱤ ᱛᱮ,
ᱚ
ᱟᱨ ᱢᱤᱫᱴᱮᱡ ᱫᱚ ᱚᱱᱟ ᱰᱷᱟᱠᱟ ᱵᱟᱭᱵᱮᱞ ᱥᱠᱩᱞ ᱨᱮ ᱠᱟᱹᱢᱤ ᱧᱟᱢ ᱠᱟᱫᱟ᱾
ᱚ ᱡᱚᱛᱚ ᱛᱟᱦᱞᱮ ᱚᱲᱟᱜ ᱨᱮᱜᱮ ᱦᱮᱱᱟᱜ ᱯᱮᱭᱟ ᱟᱨ ᱠᱟᱹᱢᱤᱭ ᱫᱟᱯᱮ ᱵᱟᱝ? ᱚ ᱟᱪᱪᱷᱟ ᱴᱷᱤᱠ ᱜᱮᱭᱟ, ᱢᱟ ᱛᱟᱦᱞᱮ ᱤᱭᱟᱹ ᱟᱢ ᱫᱚ ᱵᱟᱝᱞᱟ ᱥᱮ ᱤᱝᱨᱮᱡᱤ ᱛᱮᱢ ᱵᱟᱲᱟᱭᱟ?
ᱤᱝᱞᱤᱥ ᱦᱚᱧ ᱵᱟᱲᱟᱭ ᱜᱮᱭᱟ
ᱢᱟᱥᱮ
ᱢᱤᱰᱤᱭᱟᱢ᱾
ᱤᱝᱨᱮᱡᱤ ᱛᱮ ᱟᱢᱟᱜ ᱧᱩᱛᱩᱢ ᱞᱟᱹᱭ ᱢᱮ᱾ ᱤᱧᱟᱹᱜ ᱧᱩᱛᱩᱢ ᱫᱚ ᱩᱢᱩᱠ ᱠᱟᱱᱟ, ᱚᱱᱠᱟ ᱨᱚᱲ ᱢᱮ᱾
My name is Mary Gracie Murmu.
Oh,
And
so your name is what?
Mary Gracie Murmu.
Mary Gracie Murmu. So you are the student, no?
Yeah, I am a nursing student,
Nursing.
BSc,
Okay,
bachelor, third year,
okay,
and I want to continue my studies.
okay. But you need support, financial support, no?
Yeah,
So how you will manage that?
I don't know now how can I manage this, but
Okay.
I believe in God.
Very good.
He will be support us.
Okay, very good. So now at present your sisters are also helping, but it is not enough, no?
Yeah,
So I can tell my friends to support you. So will you receive that?
yeah, of course.
Okay, very good. Thank you. So now we'll see next year. Okay.
Okay, thank
Okay,
you.
bye now. Thank you.